Okay, but I actually can't seem to fit my bow into shot today. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. So October was a really busy month for Sophie and Toffee, most definitely, at least for me. Like, I was busy, okay? And it doesn't really show signs of slowing down. I have in my possession the October Crystal Druzy box, and I know that it's November, but it just arrived, okay? Now I'm excited for this one because crystals mean sparkles. Hi guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and please forgive the fact that my bow is probably like cut off in shot today. It's a big ass bow, okay? Get into it. So I'm excited because we have a new type of box. I haven't yet received the pastel yellow colourful star random dinosaur with an astronaut head on it box. This is my first time. So I'm excited. It's very, very pretty. Now, I have had a teeny tiny peek at the leaflet. I haven't looked at the actual goodies inside yet, okay? So I just wanted to make sure that I knew exactly which box that this was because, you know, it was a different type of box. But on the leaflet, I did notice that there's a cloud on there, and this was not planned, okay? My jumper today is clouds. You guys already know that I tend to film my stuff like during the school run, so I already had this on from this morning. And look at the cute little clouds. I'm very happy about this. I always somehow seem to match the box. Now, the box feels full, the box feels padded, and the box feels wrapped, which is, oh! Look at the little dinosaur inside. I'm loving this wrapping. So I'm guessing that we've swapped the packing peanuts for the tissue paper. You know, this is fine. This is fine. It's fine. So let's see what we have inside. Now, if you have been considering getting yourself some Sophie and Toffee crafting goodies, then make sure that you do use my discount code in the description box below, okay? Don't say I didn't give you anything, because I'm always giving you guys something. Now, I do like to just sort of feel my way around and see what's what. As I said, I did have a quick peek at the leaflet. I don't remember much of it. I just know that there was a cloud in it, and that's about it. This is a big ass mold. Ooh. Okay. This is lovely. This is lovely. So basically, right, so Crystal Druzy, or Druzy crystals, is basically that really like fine, super sparkly crystals that form like on top of crystals. You know, I think that's what it is anyway. Which is why, this is a big, massive mold, which is why we've got some really, really tiny little detailed crystal bits. I just really love the feel of this. This feels really, really nice. Oh my goodness. So is this gonna be for a coaster? It must be for a coaster. But then how would you put something on it? Oh, I don't know. Hat? You know what I'm like in it? I wear everything. All right, what's next? Another mold. Ooh, so here we have some mini Druzy crystals. Please comment below what your birthstone is, okay? My birthstone is amethyst. Another reason why my favorite color is purple, despite the fact that I wear so much more pink these days, but purple is my color, okay? And yeah, amethyst is my birthstone. I'd love to know what your birthstone is, so comment down below. Now here we have some gorgeous little miniature crystal druzes in all different shapes. We have some ovals, we have some squares, and some irregular looking ones too. Another mold. Oh my God, how many molds did we get? Ugh. Another druzy. Ooh, I just love the feel of it. I really like the feel of it. So this one's weird because it's not like encased in anything. Do you know what I mean? So it's just sort of like flat, and then you've got the mold on the top. So how are you? I'm interested to see how that's actually going to look, because I'm used to having the molds sort of like encased in something. You know what I'm trying to say, right? But this one's slightly different. I'm intrigued. I just want to get my sparkles out. I hope there's some sparkles in this box. There better be. Something else, silicone. What is the? Oh, okay. So we have a massive cloud. What are we thinking, guys? Are we thinking a little cloud like hair clip kind of thing that could sit in the middle of my bow, perhaps. Can we just? Shall I? Oh my God. One moment, please. Where's Jesus? He needs to come here and just take the wheel. Right, so as I was saying, are we thinking alligator clip underneath, right? Pop it here so I can wear it in front of my bows? I mean, come on, like, I'm one of those people who, if I receive some instructions, I tend to do the opposite, especially when it comes to crafts. So, like, if it says, make this, I'll be like, well, actually, I can make this, and I can actually wear it. So there needs to be like a light in there as well, if I can. I'm too much. I'm too much. I don't really heed instructions. If someone says that needs to be a key ring, I'm like, but it could be a ring though. Next, okay. What is this? Okay, we have a load of resin. That feels to me like it's 2-part resin and it's in 3-to-1. Okay, now when I used the 3-to-1 resin not long ago, I found that it took a really long time to cure. I don't know if that's just me, but for me, when I used it, it took ages to cure. So I do prefer 1-to-1 resin, but we will see how this one goes. But the last time I used it, it did take quite a while. I have noticed though that they have got different caps this time round. Ones that are like that, so you can, ooh. Just wanted to make sure that it wasn't gonna tip out. But like, yeah, they have more snappy caps this time rather than like the screwy caps. So yeah, that's a little something different. Okay, what's this? This is a pigment of some sort. What color are you? Ooh, sapphire. A very, very deep blue pigment. Now that is a very deep blue. You probably need like 1 drop of this and it will be blue enough, I would imagine, because that is a deep blue. Another mold of sorts. What are you? Oh, okay, so here we have, I love 4-pointed stars. I am a fan of the 4-pointed star, I have to say. So we have a 4-pointed star, we have a teeny tiny star wand, teeny tiny crescent moon wand, and a larger crescent moon, some teardrops, some hearts, and a cross shape. Very, very cute. That would be nice to add to, like, if you're doing maybe like a bag charm or something, or maybe even some jewelry. That would be quite pretty. But where is the glitter though? Like, there has to be glitter in this. What is this? More molds. This is a lot of molds, guys. This is a lot. Oh my God. Wow, okay. So we have an assortment of star-shaped molds and a crescent moon mold and an oval one. Again, they are not like encased in a mold. It's not like you pour the resin into it, you more pour it onto it, if you see what I mean. So like the mold itself, it's just flat. You just sort of like pour the resin on top of that, I would imagine. This is very different for me. I've not used ones like this before. In all honesty though, I have absolutely no idea where I'm gonna be able to fit all of these molds because, girl, the struggle is so real. That feels like wire. Oh God, no, not wire. I'm not a wire fan. I just can't do it. Oh, is that wire or is it elastic? Oh, that's okay, it's just elastic. That's all right. We got some clear elastic here. Thankfully, it's not wire. Another mold. How many molds do we need? Oh, this is cute. Is this going to be like a little house, or is that a little church? Hospital? We have a small building. I'm not quite sure exactly what kind of building it is. A bit random. In this kind of box, I wasn't expecting to see that. Okay. Please tell me that this is glitter. Finally. Ooh, hello. Ooh, so this is kind of, it's not black, it's more of a pewter kind of color. Sort of like a charcoal gray, but it's holographic. That's nice. Bit dark though. I was expecting lighter colors for this box. Okay, what's this? Is that a spoon? No, it's a ladder. Okay, so we have a ladder. This again is quite random. I wouldn't have thought of a ladder in this. I want to know what the project is. As I said, I had a very, very, very quick glance at the leaflet just because I wanted to know what the theme of the box was, just to make sure that I said the right thing. Why a ladder? I think that's everything. I just want to double check. Yep, looks like that's everything. Oh, now it makes sense, kind of. Okay, so I'm having a little look at the front of the leaflet. Well, when I say I had a quick peek, I mean, I literally just went, oh, it's crystal Druzy box. Okay, and put it back. So I didn't actually process what this actually was. So there's a ladder going up into the cloud and the rain is falling down on the little house. Okay. I like that it's got some tips in here as well. That's very handy. Let me just check to make sure that I actually got everything. So the little flat molds, you can embed them into your own molds that you have to create the sort of Druzy effect. I see. Okay, so July challenge winners, we have Amelano Luca, I hope I said that right. We have Postal Garage, and we also have my girl, JB Cons Creations. Girl, congratulations. I'm sure that you've won things before, girl. Look at you snapping up all those prizes. Well done. And we've also got M Leslie 27. Now this was for the little fairy mushroom house mold that we got. Do you remember that? These are so adorable. Really, really, really beautiful crafts. Congratulations to everybody who has won a Sophie and Toffee box. Fabulous. Thoughts? Now, I think this is a beautiful box. I think that we're gonna have a lot of fun with all the crystal stuff. I am, however, slightly disappointed that we didn't get a lot of glitter. We only got one pot and it was a dark color. Honey, I need to have my pastel glitters, okay? And I know that I have a gazillion different types of pastel glitter, but A, you can never have too much, and B, not everybody's gonna have a huge stash of glitter, and I think that some different colors would have been nice. Not necessarily pastel, maybe more sort of gemstone theme, maybe some greens, some deep reds, some purples, you know, some pinks, definitely. I think that could have been included in this. I don't know many black stones apart from onyx, so yeah. But I am looking forward to it. I think that the whole like ladder going up into the clouds thing is I don't know. I guess I have to see it. I have to see it being done for me to fully appreciate it. But right now on paper as a drawing, I'm a little bit like, I'm not entirely sure what that should be. I am looking forward to making my cloud headband. I think that will look absolutely adorable and I can't wait to make it. So let me know what you think of this Sophie and Toffee box. Did you enjoy it? Do you have it? Are you excited to create stuff with it? And also let me know if you're looking to get some Sophie and Toffee goodies. And if you are, don't forget to check out my discount code in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video and you cannot wait to see what I make with this box, then make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.